where do you keep your money? A bank, your pocket, maybe under the mattress? With crypto, you also need a wallet. But it's not made of leather, it's digital. Hi, this is Tasha from Swapspace Academy, and in this video, we'll break down what crypto wallets are, how they work, and how to pick the right one for you. A crypto wallet isn't a piggy bank that holds your coins. The coins live on the blockchain. What the wallet stores are your keys, your proof of ownership. A public key is like your account number. People can use it to send your money. In short, it's your wallet address. And a private key, like your PIN code. If someone else gets it, they can take your funds. If you lose it, your crypto is gone forever. Without those keys, you can access or move your assets. That's why wallets are the most important tool for any crypto investor. And one more thing. To protect your wallet, you also get a seed phrase or a backup made of 12 to 24 random words. With it, you can recover your wallet if your phone or computer breaks. And here's a crazy story. James Howell from the UK once threw away a hard drive with 8,000 bitcoins on it. That's over $400 million. All lost forever because he didn't have access to his keys. So yes, wallets are serious business. But not all wallets are the same. They usually fall into two main groups, hot versus cold, and custodial versus non-custodial. Hot wallets like MetaMask or Trust Wallet are connected to the internet. They work as apps on your phone or browser extensions. Super fast and convenient. Great for daily trades, NFTs, or DeFi. Cold wallets like Ledger or Trezor are offline devices, often shaped like a USB stick. Some can even be printed on paper or designed as a wearable like a ring. Because they aren't connected to the internet, they are far safer from hackers, but less convenient for quick transactions. That's why some investors and even crypto companies often keep funds in cold storage. For instance, Coinbase has disclosed that it stores the majority of its customers' crypto, worth tens of billions of dollars in cold storage to minimize risk. In custodial wallets like Binance or Coinbase, a third party holds your private keys. It's similar to keeping money in a bank, convenient and beginner-friendly, but you give up full control. That's why the crypto saying goes, not your keys, not your crypto. Non-custodial wallets like MetaMask or Phantom give you full control of your private keys. That means more freedom, but also more responsibility. A real example, during FTX's collapse, non-custodial users could withdraw to their own wallets, while custodial users were locked out. So with all these options, how would you know which wallet fits you? Ask yourself two questions. Do I use crypto often, making quick trades and payments? If yes, a hot wallet is perfect. If not, and you're more of a buy and hold type, go with a cold wallet for maximum safety. Next question. Do I want someone else to manage my keys and help with passwords? If yes, choose a custodial wallet. If no, and you prefer full control, go with a non-custodial wallet. So, which wallet fits you best? Hot, cold, custodial, or non-custodial? Drop your answer in the comments. Remember, your wallet isn't just storage, it's your passport to the blockchain. Protect it, and it will protect your crypto. In our next lesson, we'll explore crypto investment strategies for beginners. Don't miss it. And, of course, like, subscribe, and tell us in the comments which wallet you trust the most.